This is Lehigh Valley, Pennsylvania, where innovation is in our DNA and determination is forged, where skillful precision and action go hand in hand, where opportunities are nurtured alongside the drive to build the future. We brought ideas to life, yet keep our sights ever set on pushing boundaries. When it comes to results, we deliver. Because the things we make here make things happen everywhere. And with 50 million consumers within 200 miles, the pathway to success is clear. Hard work, determination, and know-how are all abundant resources here. Manufacturing and all its components linked. The future of manufacturing, made possible in Lehigh Valley, Pennsylvania.